I am appealing to motorists or anyone who was in the vicinity within the period of 4 to about 5 p.m. That is Thursday the 8th of June, to drag your memory. Check your dash cam to see if you observe a female with multicolor top and blue knickers or denim walking anywhere within this vicinity with a young child, possibly carrying a knapsack on her back. It is important that we really collectively as a nation pool our energy together to ensure that this case is not one of those that is placed on a shelf, but that the person who is responsible is brought to justice. All of us as Jamaican, we have a duty to ensure that this is done. Most of us that are standing here, we are all parents, and we understand what a child means to us. And for that child to be killed in such brutal way, it must hit the nerve of every Jamaican.